Hello gals and guys, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today we're going to talk about 10 daily habits to keep your home sparkling clean. But before we get started, take a couple of seconds and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to The Big Sweep for free and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any episodes. I believe that a tidy home can have a profound impact on our well-being, and it all starts with incorporating simple daily habits. Just like we nourish our bodies with daily meals, our homes thrive on consistent care. By dedicating a few moments each day to these small acts of tidying, we create a sense of calm and order that permeates every aspect of our lives. Remember, maintaining a clean and organized home is not about perfection, but about creating a space where you feel truly at peace. Let's begin. Imagine waking up each morning to a bedroom that feels calm and inviting. The simple act of making your bed can make your bedroom look and feel clean and tidy, and set a positive tone for the entire day. As you smooth the sheets and fluff the pillows, visualize creating a peaceful sanctuary for yourself. This small act of intention can have a ripple effect, inspiring you to approach other tasks with the same sense of purpose. Even if the rest of your bedroom isn't perfectly tidy, a made bed instantly transforms the overall appearance, creating a sense of order and tranquility. So let's start each day by honoring our space and ourselves with this simple yet powerful habit. Laundry can often feel like a daunting task, especially when it piles up into a mountain of clothes. But what if we could approach it with a sense of ease and consistency? By doing a small load of laundry each day, we can prevent it from becoming overwhelming. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that you're staying on top of this essential chore, rather than letting it loom over you. As you fold and put away each garment, take a moment to appreciate the feeling of freshness and order it brings to your drawers and closets. Remember, tidying is not just about the end result, but about the joy and peace of mind it brings to the entire process. Our kitchens and bathrooms are spaces of daily use, and it's easy for surfaces to accumulate dust, grime, and clutter. But we can transform these spaces with a few minutes of mindful cleaning each day. Imagine running a soft cloth over your kitchen counters after each meal, wiping away any crumbs or spills, and restoring their shine. Feel the satisfaction of knowing that your surfaces are clean and ready for their next use. In the bathroom, take a moment to wipe down the sink and faucet after you've brushed your teeth. As you polish these surfaces to a sparkle, visualize creating a space of serenity and self-care. These small acts of cleaning not only maintain hygiene, but also infuse our homes with a sense of freshness and clarity. Our entryways and living rooms are often the first spaces we encounter when we come home. Let's create a sense of calm and welcome by dedicating a few minutes each day to decluttering these high-traffic areas. Imagine arriving home to a clutter-free entryway, where shoes are neatly stored and bags find their designated hooks. This simple act of tidying can instantly lift your spirits and create a sense of peace as you transition into your personal sanctuary. In the living room, take a moment to gather any stray items, returning them to their rightful places. Fold blankets, arrange cushions, and clear off coffee tables, allowing these spaces to breathe and invite relaxation. By dedicating a few minutes each day to decluttering these areas, we create a sense of order that flows throughout our homes. The kitchen is often considered the heart of the home, a space where we nourish our bodies and connect with loved ones. Let's treat this special space with the care and respect it deserves by cleaning up immediately after each meal. Imagine the satisfaction of sitting down to a clean and inviting kitchen table, free from the remnants of the previous meal. This simple act of tidying allows us to fully savor the present moment and enjoy our meals with a sense of gratitude. As you wash dishes, visualize cleansing not only the plates and utensils, but also any lingering stress or fatigue from the day. Remember, a clean kitchen is an invitation to cook with joy, gather with loved ones, and create lasting memories. Before we move on, please remember to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep for free, and ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop. Emptying the trash bins daily may seem like a small task, but it can have a significant impact on the overall freshness and energy of our homes. Imagine the feeling of lightness and clarity that comes with releasing anything that no longer serves us, both physically and metaphorically. As you tie up the trash bags and take them outside, visualize letting go of any negativity or stagnation that may be cluttering your space. Remember, a clean and odor-free home is essential for our well-being, and this simple habit plays a vital role in maintaining a harmonious environment. Habit number 7, sweeping away the day. Our floors carry us through our daily routines, collecting dust, crumbs, and traces of our activities. Let's show them some love by incorporating a quick sweep or vacuum into our daily rituals. Imagine the feeling of walking barefoot on clean floors, feeling the smooth surface beneath your feet. This simple act of cleaning can be incredibly grounding and therapeutic, allowing us to release any tension or stress we may be carrying. As you glide the broom or vacuum across the floor, visualize sweeping away any worries or negativity, leaving behind a sense of peace and tranquility. Remember, a clean floor is a foundation for a clean and harmonious home, and this small habit can make a world of difference. Daily habit number 8, taming the paper trail. In today's digital age, it's easy for paper clutter to accumulate and overwhelm our spaces. Let's create a sense of order and control by dedicating a few minutes each day to sorting through mail and paperwork. Imagine the satisfaction of opening your mailbox to find only the essential documents and correspondence, free from junk mail and unnecessary clutter. This simple act of organization can save you time and stress in the long run. As you sort through each piece of paper, ask yourself if it sparks joy or serves a practical purpose. If not, let it go with gratitude and create space for what truly matters. Remember, a clutter-free workspace or home office promotes focus, creativity, and a sense of peace. Habit number 9, bathroom sink and mirror magic. Our bathrooms should be our personal sanctuaries, spaces where we can relax, rejuvenate, and practice self-care. Let's maintain their sparkle and hygiene with a quick daily cleaning routine. Imagine the feeling of freshness that comes with wiping down the bathroom sink and mirror after each use. This small act of tidying not only maintains cleanliness but also elevates our daily routines into mindful rituals. As you polish the faucet to a shine, visualize washing away any stress or worries, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Remember, a clean and sparkling bathroom is an invitation to prioritize self-care and create a spa-like experience within our own homes. Habit number 10, a place for everything, everything in its place. One of the keys to maintaining a tidy home is to create a designated space for everything and make it a habit to return items to their rightful places after each use. Imagine the ease and efficiency of knowing exactly where to find your belongings, eliminating the stress of searching and clutter. This simple habit can save you time and energy, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. As you put each item back in its designated spot, visualize restoring order and balance to your space. Remember, a clutter-free home is a reflection of a clear and peaceful mind, and this small habit can have a profound impact on our overall well-being. Embrace your daily rituals. As we've explored these 10 daily habits, I hope you've discovered the transformative power of incorporating small acts of tidying into our daily routines. Remember, maintaining a clean and organized home is not about perfection, but about creating a space that sparks joy and supports our well-being. By dedicating a few minutes each day to these simple tasks, we can transform our homes into havens of peace, order, and inspiration. Embrace these habits with a sense of joy and gratitude, and witness the positive impact they have on your life. We're glad to have you with us on this journey to create a tidier and more joyful home. If you enjoyed these tips, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep for more inspiration, and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.